Genetic material. So we know that DNA is going to be the thing that's inside every living thing, okay? Every living thing uses this thing right here, DNA. What does DNA stand for? All right, here we go. Deoxyribonucleic acid, okay? Now, it has a double helix to it, so I'm just going to give us a nice little ring over here. All right, bam, okay? And each strand is identical to the other, right? One is going one way and the other is going the other way. There's my DNA molecule, okay? And we know also that there's 4 bases of DNA, okay? So what are they? We have to know that there's adenine, and there's what? Guanine. We'll just abbreviate this one as A and this one as G. Okay, we also know that there's cytosine, C, and thymine. All right, and we also know that these guys over here look like this. They have 2 rings, so there's going to be 1 and 2. And we're going to call these purines. All right, and on this side, I only have 1 ring. Okay, now there's other atoms inside over there. I know it looks a little too simple, but if you just know what the shape looks like, you're going to be okay for the SAT too. Okay, and then this is going to be called the pyrimidines. Okay, great. Now, I want to just give you a shortcut on how to remember this. How do you remember that purines are adenine and guanine? Okay, well, I remembered it like this. Pure for purine, as for adenine, gold. If you can remember pure as gold, then you'll remember that there'll be 2 rings here. Okay, purines are adenine and guanine. And as for the pyrimidines, I just remembered cut the pi. Okay, now the other one that I didn't include here is RNA. Okay, and that's where uracil will come in, but I just wrote cut the pi. Okay, and I think you should have no problem with that. Genetic material. Every living thing needs DNA. Okay, and the reason why is because other than that, they have to be able to pass, okay, on their genetic material. Excellent. Okay, and the only way to do that is by having some sort of molecule that's very convenient and that has all the information. Okay, and with that said, I'm going to the next slide.